Alright guys, here we are, final thoughts for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today is our final thoughts, our final video for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So if you're new to this channel, you're new to my videos, Year of the Beard, it's 12 months, 12 companies. Each company gets their own month to go in this beard. We're closing out the month of July with the company of Wildside and getting ready to move into August and a new company. So let's give some final thoughts on these products that we used this month. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about, this product didn't get its own video, its own update video, just because we had enough oils and balms to go over. So we're going to talk about it today. It is the beard wash. All right, so this is the 4-ounce bottle of beard wash. Now, comes in the cobalt blue pop top bottle. It is a thin wash. I don't know if you can see it in here, but it is a thin wash. It cleaned really, really well. It took a little bit extra because it is so thin, but it still did an amazing job cleaning my beard and making sure it was all clean. Now it wasn't super stripping. It didn't strip it all down like all crazy, but it did do a good job of getting the products from the night before or the day before out of my beard so I could start fresh. And really, really good product. Now I apologize, but I did not get the price before coming out here. So I will put the price in the description so you can get over and check it out at Wildside. So unscented beard wash, it gets my approval. All right, so next let's talk about these products, the other products that we talked about throughout the month. So we talked about 4 oil balm combos. So get them all out. We talked about, in no particular order, we talked about Duck Blind, Campfire Candy, Simple Man, and 2-Bit Barber. All right, so we talked about each one of these in oil and in balm. So I'm just going to recap. Campfire Candy, s'mores, smells amazing. It's sweet, it's got a little hint of coffee, it smells really, really good. Duck Blind, pine, tea tree, all sorts of other things, smells really, really good. Next, Simple Man, vanilla, lemon, chai tea. And then 2-Bit Barber, which is your barbershop, your bay rum, your talcum powder, but it also has peppermint, eucalyptus, and musk. It is amazing. So, how do they do in my beard? My beard has been so soft and so easy to manage this month. It is crazy. Using this carrier blend has been amazing health-wise for my beard. So the carrier blend for the oils, jojoba, rosehip, sweet almond, argan, vitamin E. That's your carrier blend for these oils. So they did so well in my beard. Now, the other cool thing is, out of the balms, the 4 balms that we talked about, 2 of these balms were more of a conditioning balm, and the other 2 were a firm holding balm. So if you like a firm holding balm, then Simple Man and 2-Bit Barber were the firm holds. Duck Blind and Campfire Candy were more of a conditioning balm and did so well in my beard. Absolutely amazing. Carrier blend for the balms, beeswax, shea butter, jojoba, rosehip, sweet almond, argan, and vitamin E. Absolutely amazing carrier blend and ingredients in these products. Now, something else that we haven't talked about Wildside. Wildside was created in February of 2019 by Jason and Tom, 2 self-proclaimed redneck bikers, also Christians, and they had been making their products and just selling them to friends, and they decided to go big. And so now they have, I think, 11 different scents. 2-Bit Barber is, I think, their newest scent, and they have done exceptionally well for a newer company. With what started out, I think they only started with 9 scents. They've added 2 scents to the lineup since they have started, and absolutely great products. I have heard nothing bad in the community about Wildside because they make amazing products. I highly recommend them. Prices, you can get to their website. In the description, I'll have a link to their website. Also, I have a promo code. It is BeardOutdoor15. That'll save you 15% on your order at Wildside. What everybody's waiting on is me ranking these. So we already know that they did amazing in my beard, and they all smell absolutely amazing. So ranking these is going to be difficult. You've got vanilla, lemon, and chai tea. You got barbershop. You got pine and tea tree, and you got good old s'mores. All right, so I think the ranking is going to be, I like them all. This is tough. So number 4, which is the one out of the 4 that I guess you could say I like the least, but that's really not the case. But duck blind, that's going to come in at number 4. Yep, number 4. It's a good scent. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's not for everybody. If you don't like pine, you don't like the tea tree, then you're not gonna like duck blind. It smells really good to me, but these other 3 smell better. All right, so number 3 is gonna be campfire candy. S'mores, coffee, you can't go wrong. It smells really good. It is an amazing scent, but it's number 3. Number 2, and this is the tough one. But number 2, I'm gonna have to go with Simple Man. Number 2 is gonna have to go Simple Man. It is a good scent, kind of a crisp, kind of a clean scent. You get that lemon, you get that vanilla. Smells good. But number 1 is going to be 2-Bit Barber. This barbershop scent is absolutely amazing. Scent duration on all of these, man. Scent duration on all these was anywhere from 6, 8 plus. No less than 6 hours for scent duration on these scents. They were absolutely amazing in scent duration, and they all 4 smelled absolutely amazing. So get over, check out Wildside, and my big recommendation, if you want a barbershop scent that has a little bit different spin on it, then you need to go with 2-Bit Barber. And like I said, I recommend any of these. If it's a scent profile that you like, if you like pine and the woodsy scents, check out Duck Blind. And that's it, guys. We have ranked them. We've talked about how they did in my beard. We've talked about prices, and we've talked about the company. So amazing guys over at Wildside. You definitely need to check it out. Go check them out. Go show them some love. Don't forget the giveaway at the end of the year. In order to be in that giveaway, you've got to comment on every video with Year of the Beard. You've got to follow all 12 companies on Instagram. And you've got to be a subscriber on my channel. All right, so at the end of the year, we're going to do a massive giveaway. All 12 companies are throwing something into the pot, and one lucky winner is going to win it all. So, like I said, in order to get entered into that, you've got to follow those 3 simple rules. Be a subscriber, comment on all the videos, and like or follow all the companies on Instagram. All right, guys, if you've got any questions about Wildside or any of these scents that we talked about this month, drop them in the comments. We're getting on over to August, so stay tuned for those videos. And until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.